How do you change the rulers to inches in Photoshop? So you can change the units of the ruler and actually the units of anywhere that you see measurement units really easily. If you go to the rulers, and if you don't see the rulers, you can go to View, down to Rulers, and make sure those are check marked. But all you have to do is right click on them. When you right click on them, it'll show you what's currently selected, in this case pixels, and then you can switch it to inches, just like that. So now my rulers are in inches. Other units will change to inches as well. Not everything will though. So if you ever see something out here, for instance, if I just put a type object out here, and we have a little lorem ipsum. If I go and transform this by pressing Command T, I still get pixels up here at the top with like the X and Y position. So I can right click on those. And so anywhere you see a dialog box like that, you can also right click and switch those to inches or whatever unit you want. Now your document probably came with a certain amount of units, or Photoshop settings have units. So to switch everything to inches, I would go to Photoshop. Well, I would unselect that text right there and then go to Photoshop down to settings. And why can't I do settings? Because I'm in the transform command. That's why. Photoshop down to settings, and then it's not in general, but I'll just click on general in case you open preferences like on Windows or anything, which is in the edit dropdown, by the way. But then we would go find units and rulers right here. And so from here, we can actually also switch the rulers to a different unit or to inches, and we can switch type to whatever we want. And then we can also switch column sizes and the resolution as well. So you can switch all that stuff there if you want to switch any units to inches in Photoshop. And that's how you can do that. I'll see you in the next one.